Wow, look at this. Wow, the aroma, the potatoes with the onions. Woo. Hello everyone, this is Auntie Rose's Kitchen again. Happy New Year to you all. I must say thank you all who supported me. And I just want to let you know I'm enjoying the comments. Okay, I want to thank you all tonight. What I'm going to do here this afternoon, I'm going to make a very quick, nutritious fried salmon. Okay, this is my salmon, and the only thing I'm going to do, it's also washed and pat dry already. I also use a little lemon on it. First of all, you are going to use a little black pepper. Here, this is a very thick salmon, very nice. And a little salt, just a small amount of salt. Now, as you all know, some salmon you can take the skin off, but I noticed that it fried better with the skin on. Okay, now also what I do, I squeeze a little lime juice on my fish here, and of course, yes, it's gonna be very easy and quick. So I have my skillet here ready. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna take the salmon, skin down, just a few more minutes. I'm gonna turn to when it's brown on both sides. So as you all know, salmon is very nutritious, no bones. The children will also love a salmon dinner or lunch. Salmon, you can do so many things with salmon. You can make sandwiches, you can eat it with nice vegetables. Here, what I'm going to do this afternoon, I have some nice cabbages, and I'm going to fry a few pieces of potatoes also. It's very simple. With the cabbage, I'm just going to use onions, a little salt, and some black pepper, just to coat the bottom of the pot. The cabbages is already washed, cleaned and washed. And as you all know, cabbage is a very nice vegetables. I like cabbage. At this time of the year, cabbages are very expensive also. And here I have my onions, and I have my potatoes already cut. They can be cut a little more smaller because it will fry much quicker. Now, I would like to hear some comments how you spend your Christmas. And of course, your New Year is going to be a wonderful one. And we all hope to enjoy. Happy New Year. We are supposed to be happy. There's no reason to be unhappy, because unhappiness do not bring joy. So we are a joyful people. So if we are happy, we will have joy in our hearts. Now it's not going to take a long time. So you just use your spatula. Wow. Salmon is nice pieces of salmon. Let's give it a few more minutes over here. I'm going to take my cabbage over here. This cabbage I'm going to steam. It don't take a long time also. And you can also put carrots. And in the cabbage, you're going to use onions, a little black pepper, a little salt, just a pinch of salt. You're going to do now, you're going to flip your salmon over. As you can see here, it takes a lovely color. So you see at this point, the skin, you can also strip the skin off at this point if you do not want the skin on. But the skin comes off very, very easily for your eating pleasure. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to steam fried. And what I can do also, I'm going to fry a couple pieces of the potatoes at the side here. It takes no time. And you are going to put that at medium heat, not a very high heat, because it's not going to take very long. Oh yes, it's steaming. It's a very young cabbage, so it's not going to take a long time. And as I said, you can put carrots or whatever other vegetables you like. So while the salmon is frying, the vegetable is steaming over here. This is a quick cooking. Auntie Rosie's kitchen. It's very quick, very, very nutritious. Wow, the aroma. Wow, the salmon. Okay, so what you're gonna do now, the potatoes are also steam fried. Wow. Then what you can also do, you can also use apple cider vinegar. It's very nice on fish. So what you can do here now, I'm going to cut a few more pieces of the onions. Watch your finger, just a few slices. Salmon do not take a long time, just a few minutes. Wow. You hear that? See that? Takes its color. Wow, brown and nice. You want the real flavor, so you don't want to overcook the fish. It's not going to take a long time. This is already steamed. Wow, I love cabbage. It's very nutritious. And of course, yes, you can put, if you have string beans, green beans, red peppers, such as like, you can also put it in your cabbage, whatever you like. This one is very, very simple, very, very simple. So what I'm going to do here now, I'm just going to add a little vinegar, like just 2 cups of vinegar, apple cider vinegar. This is a good vinegar. My grandmother, she always used vinegar with her fish. She usually loved grouper fish. That's a fish that runs in the Caribbean certain time of the year. She said, like coming on to Christmas, some huge fish. That fish have to be sliced. Oh my God, as children, we usually have great time. Christmas morning, huge slice of grouper fish for breakfast. Bread, cakes, everything was right there. Hot cereal, grits. You know what? Someday I'm going to try the grits and show you how to make grits. It is so much nutritious and wonderful. And grits can be eaten with anything. Okay, so what I'm going to do here now with the onions, this lid here is hot with the vinegar. So what you can do is add a little water, just a small amount of water, and the water is still warm, and this covering here, and you are going to pour it over your, wow, the aroma. Then now, at this point, your cabbage is ready. What you're going to do, you're going to plate your cabbage. Wow. Wow, very, very nutritious. Wow. Look at this. Look at your salmon, potatoes, onions. And guess what? It's ready. So what you're going to do, you're going to place your salmon. Wow, look at this. Wow, the aroma, the potatoes with the onions. Woo. And of course, yes, the fried potatoes, I slice it very thinly so it cooks very, very easily. Wow, look at it. So what we have here, a quick salmon. You can also squeeze a little more lemon juice. Okay, so here is your quick salmon dinner. It only takes like 15 minutes to cook this salmon. And the fried potatoes, fried salmon, fried potatoes, steamed cabbage. Auntie Rose's Kitchen. Please subscribe and give me some comments. And ring that bell. Please subscribe. Auntie Rose's Kitchen. Okay, so I'm going to taste the fish. Wow. Delicious. Auntie Rose's Kitchen. 20 minutes. Fried salmon, fried potatoes with onions, steamed cabbage. One of the best. And I just want to thank you all again. Auntie Rose's Kitchen. Please subscribe. And send me your comments. Thank you. Bye. Please subscribe and leave your comments. And I thank you very, very much. And this is coming from Auntie Rose's Kitchen. Wow.